Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with AC, and I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood for another Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift update. And I came here thinking that the track was going to be fully completed. They only have 2 sections left, but it is not. There are still 2 sections left. It didn't get done last night, and I'm guessing it'll get done tonight. I don't know if I'm going to stay late enough to see that get done. But anyway, I'm here to show you what they have. So let's go check everything out. Oh, also, I can't believe it's been just over a year since the very first piece of track was installed. Time has gone by really fast. There's still a lot more work to do. Let's go check everything out. What an awesome reveal as I walk down the path on the side of the Frankenstein parking structure. Just look at that. Looks really, really awesome. Now, it doesn't look like it's going to completely invert. It's going to be very, very close. Looks like it'll invert a little bit more than the section that goes over the escalators. But guys, like 2 sections. This thing is awesome. And like, you know, if you've been following all these videos here, it drops down a considerable distance. It looks pretty tall from here. But from down below, from the road where the tram goes by, this thing is gigantic. This is gonna be so freaking awesome. Anyway, let's look in some other areas and see what else is up. Inside the Frankenstein parking structure right now, and I just noticed this angle, really cool. You can see where the track drops down, and also Super Nintendo World in the distance. Really cool. All right, I'm gonna go walk around here a bit more. Pretty awesome view over here as well. Another big crane. Well, not as big as the tower crane, but we have 2 cranes here. And then looking down, we can see where the launch sections are out and back. Nice airtime hill there. And then another crane down below. And 2 more cranes over here. I'm not sure which ones they are using to install the track, but here we are with this. And nobody's working today. I'm kind of surprised. Usually on Saturday, or at least the last Saturday, there were people crawling all over the place. Had to come outside and get another view, and just look at this over here. This is so incredible. Last time I came out here, it was late at night, park was closed, and security kind of shooed me away, but had to come back. Look at this, we got the retaining wall, launch sections down here, really, really sweet. And then, of course, the dive loop that is almost done. Cannot wait, keep saying this, to get on it. Looks amazing. Just one final look at everything. And now it is time to go over here and inside the park and look at everything else. But wait, there's more. Look over here. We have the 2 sections of track that are going to get installed here at some point. Really awesome. I can't believe I wasn't on the lookout for them, but here they are. Now I'm going to go inside the park. All right, well, look at this. The scaffolding has been completely removed from the station, with the exception of just this one little piece over here. And wow, it looks great. They're also installing some of the glass in the windows. I'm loving this. McDonald's. Let's go over here. But not over here. Not gonna go over here. They're gonna Men in Black me. Let's go over here. Here at the Overlook now, and just noticed a few things. First is the tower crane. I can't believe I didn't notice this when I was elsewhere in the park, but it's going bye-bye. You can see over here where the arm used to extend out way further. The piece is already gone. And then over on this side, all the counterweights, or at least some of the counterweights, are gone. And then coming down here, looking at the track, they are starting to blend between the sections of track that were installed. It's a lighter gray section where the 2 pieces come together, because it doesn't always line up exact. And then just another look here with the wave turn, the launch sections, and then a look at the dive loop from here, which, well, the sun is pointing right at me. Not the best perspective, but here it is. Not a lot to talk about over here. You can get another look at the tower crane that's being disassembled. And then, of course, this building over here, which hasn't been skinned yet. I really hope they make it look like the coaster is crashing through the roof and breaking on through to the other side. Coming up over here. Well, this is what it looks like over here. What a beautiful day it is. And then looking down here on the other side of the escalator where we have this mystery project, they have graded the land even more. There's gravel down on the ground. And then over here, looks like they are ready to drill some pylons. My best guess is that they're gonna have another retaining wall go in, very similar to the method that they use for some of the walls over here. And just look at this beauty. Stunning. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it from here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it back until like Tuesday or Wednesday next week, but is what it is. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.